Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I really enjoyed this week's material because it talks about interviewing for a job and how to retain a job. So I know you guys are just wrapping up submitting your information regarding your paper and presentation. However, I think next week you're going to get a lot out of the interviewing for a job lecture and then also finding a job and keeping it. So I look forward to learning a little bit more about what your thoughts are regarding this from the discussion uh, board, which is about career communication, right? So do the video, look over the link right here that says finding a job and keeping it. It's got a lot of information about, how to look for jobs and how to find a job online and such. So that'll be interesting to get your perspective on that. And then interviewing techniques. I have a little PowerPoint there for you to open along with the video. But overall, I think you're going to get a lot out of it. It's really interesting. Further, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Also, I'm looking forward to seeing everyone's paper submitted. Of course, I recorded this on Saturday, so your paper is due on the 10th. And I look forward to grading all those as soon as possible. So look for a grade very soon in the in the grade center section, which will also have the rubric attached to it, so you know where you missed points or where you did great. If you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.